Your hair is the most powerful in Hololive. That is correct. These hair strands. Too powerful. Too much. Too much for this world. Oh, the reason why I was a bit under the weather was because I've been working out way too much. And I'm getting muscle cramps. Ugh. Did you hear that? That was my neck. Did you hear that? Whoa! Do it again. No, I'm gonna die. This can be my last stream if I do it again. I would be like the crooked man. Remember that game? Why are you doing it again then? 'Cause it was so nice! Neck crack go burr. That's right! Oh man! Don't overdo it. I'm totally gonna overdo it.